Hi guys, in today's video we will be fixing all the registry problems. So first of all, go to start menu and type Registry Editor. You will open up this, click yes, and here go to files, and first of all do a backup of your registry files. So I will export it, latest backup, and I will upload in desktop. And okay, now you can see that I have latest backup in my file. Now we can now you can also import it from here, but now we have to move further. I will open up my browser and I will type google.com, and then I will type registry repair. This is going to solve all of our registry problems. So click on the first link. Make sure you are clicking the regisoft.com actual site. So you will find some ads here, so make sure you don't click those and just click this one from the actual site. When you will click download, it will pop up an error ad, and when you click now, see it has downloaded one from me. Now I will open file, and it's requiring admin access from me. I will say yes, no, because two of them are open at the same time. I will go next. Yeah, I want to open it. I will recommend to try full scan. This will take a very little time. I will just stop it here because it will take too much time. So you have to make sure that it runs the whole and take its time to figure what are the errors and how to solve them. So I will just stop it because I don't have that much time. I will stop and fix error. These are the error it have spotted running for like 2 minutes now. So I will say fix error, and boom, errors are gone. So this was today's quick tutorial. Hope this would have helped you. Meet you in another tutorial.